images around my mouth. I'm gonna scream.
Really?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it's like.
I'm Fitz 3.
You are Fitz 3.
Anyways, this is interesting though, but I like that it shows like the close-ups of my little dark spots.
And then right there too. Analyzing the skin.
Okay, this
I'm all staring at the light.
I didn't realize how much I need to do my eyebrows tonight. Like, this is not good at all because it's red. You want it to be low. Because like, this is green, so I think it's saying that I have even skin texture, but I have really low pore fit.
Profile. I have flashbacks, so I go everywhere.
Oh my gosh.
I never have like one set studio. But my favorite one, me and Maya were talking.
It's not a pleasant smell.
Okay. We're all done.
That was not bad at all. I am such an over-dramatic person. The girlies are gonna love this.
Yes, they are.
This
It's gonna
isn't
make their
bad.
skin look so good.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
Perfect for summer. Your skin's gonna look amazing.
Okay, thank you. Bye.